Abusua mo hote say munu akuma ma ba mo nkyɛn sɛ yebesua de megiri sɛ wate sɛ Kotoko supporter bi afri mu sɛ wonte ya ye de ho video ba besomo na mesrɛ sɛ menuanom mabunu ye bɛyɛ ahwɛyie kakra ɛwɔ babia akyinye ene kakabensam ɛwɔ efisafiwe ye wura mu no ye mabunu no ye nhyɛda ente asɛm de bia sa na ediyie bi pie ye before incident no ye ba behwe opani ni kire se ohun se team bi a omafade eye kokko aboa esaka ho supporters ni bi akotu aduro se omode be support team no na bra omokotu aduro no omo baaye no match bi ekoso ema baako efamu ehwere ne nkwa eno na ye bisa se so asema opani kan ye eno ene Kotoko incident na esi na ye we kwakotie emu nsam na bra match na ekoso a ntokwa ne sha asenso ye nua bi wo ho a wo hu ne ekoso nyina mede bremu ne entia video we hu hia me ene se me ye babunu nso ye babunu yen na sabe ye chie futuo enti yentie ne eko na yahwe na fe ye de atu ye hofo mesremo mepamochon ye ne ye oman ne daache enti se mrewa ne nkokora ne wo ho ne ye mom ye free mu saa na oman ne eni daache mesrew apawchew ne asi nei ye mfanya futuo ema ye ho ochena mesrew pi ye ni kan kohwe edi ye ne baaye no ye wi a yakohwe ye nua a no wo ho ansa na ntokwa ne si o park no so
edi ye toso mihu bokuo kese wo man mu o ma hyensode ya abo o mo hye kokko na mihu se ai se o mu nipa binom akoba bi so mo kopɛ hunhum mmo a emfiri osoroso nyankopɔn no hobi na mo firi anyame ho ebi na mihu se o mo kɔ so mo kopɛ mmo ama team no wo mo kɔye no o mo ye bibia wie mihu nipa o mo kɔye mihu enipa enum by mumiensa na mihu won clear na o mo kɔye no no mu free ho besin koye no efie no me hu se ade bi atote se atuduro hu se kane na atuduro etimi pai po na me hu se ade bi atu po no na omo ekope saa sunsum mu a efiri anyame bi no ho no ede matim no baako ato awawuo na nye onipa a oye saa nuro no ne ku nipa no na mmom eya duro no honhom no na eyire so saa na wo se epai ka baako na me se baako a owom a oka omo a ekohwehwem ekogigigi niema e de bere omu tim no wato na nipa me hu se obi a wagidin kakra e wo radio so a onka management team no ho de na omo ekogigigi niema hunhum mmoa ne hunhum ahoden de bere team no emu baako na muso makoba bi a babi on koe no na aduro no yire saa de na yire saa ne pipe ze de no ka to apaye no ete pipe me hu se etika mu baako na no wafrim na na ye wo mu a ekosiki spiritual powers edima omu team ni ye team a mo ahyenso de ya aboa na omo hye kokko e team kese no baako na ade a me hu ye no very dangerous ti wo mo esiki spiritual powers e wo baabi e di matim no mo nsusu nchini no mo hweyie na nye baabi o mo koye no nipa no a wo ye leader wo ho no na ye saade no nye sebia okonfo ana aduro ni no na ye na mo aduro no mo honhom ni tumi no e na paya na wo se crash baako na mo se crash baako edi ye no we na my platform ni yeso no ko awurade ani no wo baabi a awurade nani no wo baabi a
Abusia openini di ya ose nyame da na di ekire no ena ye kohwe ye no mami hu adwen kire ene omo a wo efa ye papa yi asam a odi kan ebe kan ye ansana incident ni si afi ye nko park no so na ye nko sua bibi emfa embo ye bra.
So the story is true. Sir Kotoko fan no, he's unalive. Wakan Chinegu. He has kicked the bucket. Nana Poli because of this that happened. Now let me explain. Obi ohume nebie nim say this same atade and I'm a share Ediko in Suatre Park and so a match day 19 in Suatreman versus Asante Kotoko. Now, me could scene what I witnessed a lot because tension no game and we know because Kotoko are chasing the league title was in Suatreman FC so tried to survive relegation because after this game our next game will be against Brekum Chelsea and also I want the own matters. Now, this is what went on. The game was quite calm until the second half when that tackle Michael Chedramina who eventually came on Ebeyi Asante and the other saka do danensa a war from the Efrimo and then Ofao I think Walid I stand to be corrected but when I found a referee our day foul to Suatremano the player wanted to go back and the time I play and dying the one all corner and then in Suatre play another the 9 extra pin he say so that triggered the Kotoko players to rush to the scene and not the some fight by am I said the video yeah movie I recorded this video and then channel say Kotoko players ni be TT and Suatreman players no and then in Suatreman players in this picture so a bit TT Kotoko players no so it was very gory and then your man of course no was highly unfortunate and then when these things were going on in fact this is one video who said Kotoko's goalkeeper who eventually got a red card same as Justice Blake later part Asante and the change I mean also got a red card. Kotoko lost the game full time by 1-0 but we saw the goalkeeper also attacking a fan because fan need Dimirika man for me brave the pitch no whilst the police were there and in this case police for no anti me anyahwe so police for no eba park and so ben nam no some fans na ewura mu no and na ba akudi nsuo ball Kotoko goalkeeper no so the Kotoko goalkeeper had to attack a fan no also so this was what went on our park and so time I course and whilst I was taking the video I was outside I was at where fans no no so I walked to the scene to ask Ninko for the ACC you know I saw Coach Kwesi appear because before that me who say Omabie gate rama in Suatreman FC owner Ignatius Bafowa e man no call field no so e no call Kame supporters e Kame all the fans say omunya abotre na yemmo game no so the game was put to a halt by referee Vomao and then after that you know game no said to us and once I was recording this video on social media no say there were some voices nobody should record anything nobody should do that so I had to leave the scene because I'm the same guy who recorded penalty na home referee penalty na je Brekum Chelsea against Lions last season no I referee J penalty so people suspect us and me wo hono kwa the ABA I may took some video so I had to leave because there were times when this thing happened and the game was about to kickstart some fans were saying say na spanner be adwuma na say omo the spanner be bon crofo trim and some were saying say Justice Blake or two in so the ball supporters no obepon me abeto in fact people said say omo mpaye nyina na say obepon so I couldn't wait because bi onim nso atre bia nim say baby a park na wo no wo the car kura be 15 minutes from the main town and say bibi to wa unya boafo na agefo so I had to leave particularly when I posted the video and I left now me free one before say me free one me say Kwesi appear den nsa ayesan actual players no me knew exactly what he said but based on the response of the fans there was suggesting to me say now or catch him say Kotoko phone nyai ball no ball but then in Suatre fans who were closer to him and then around no were saying no oh mama ya more he senior there but I thought no I'm sensing something I have to leave and then me free her now time I me free one then the rumor was beginning to come yes so Oma will be sekai Nana Pole and Pole ya Kotoko fan and picture na movie Oma won a sekai and then sekai na Oma dia one no yes so Oma woni bebre ni ade enti na ye rumor so I had to make some calls and I went with some people I called them and then Ebi was stadium they said to me so Omo won a second truth but the omo tene say omo dey call hospital no omo say we free mu no so that was what I got from the stadium so the rumors growing was stadium what was that omo so I had to call where they took him and I'm afraid also there were some journalists who were there even they are still there as of now and no also can say the confirmation is true say Asante and Efrimu and then inform quite say media for picture and I say fine people have sneaked and gotten some pictures of which I'm yet to get some there but the all confirmed say Kotoko fan no every Kotoko release this statement 10 omo kire omo baaye no the way I structure for do omo fam and your fans ni bi dey yet ti omo aside no game no start and your kokko so in fact my direct opposite was where the technical team were Kotoko fan allege say fans no to nyoma ebro om coach ni omo technical team no ade ba ko prompt me ma me free game na sekura ansana the ABC ni see and say on time wana TV phone etwa Globe TV phone etwa no incident ni siwie ni you say o ma yi cameras na free ho and I'm say hey video na na mo ntwa na BBC and ma yi camera na free ho na say BBC am record me ko and ma me ko ye so this is what happened now these things were bound to happen in the league because baby and I headed towards no they are channel join me akwa radio live on Facebook and up to 10
enti menua esa asem bi ebesi nne no ye de afutuo ma ye ho kyena so ohwe ne ekoso o park ne so a ahomete football ya de a me mani fi ye no nanka eye odo do ntokwasi de but so be ko park so na de sekan ahye wo ho na de akọwo wo nua no asa Ghana abadaye na ye nananom edi jaye no sese eni ho bio mesre menuanom me pa mo chew de asi momma yemfanya futuo ema ye ho wo bra yi sekan ekun ni mi bisa se obehwe ne yere ne mama nana o mpena obehwe ama nana so ye japade bi agya na busuafo a wotwa ne nkwanso yi mfa so ben na wo benya megidi se wo sekan bebia wo no wanu ho nanso sesei akachi momma yenhwe ye ho ye GK Oben Heba se ye meje amamanya duro na yemfa sa ye ho yare usisi ye wo ya koko afifi wo ba mu wo problem wo ni pedua no ho a mesrew fra GK Oben Heba ne number na the screen free ne betumi aboa wo fra a wo se onya announcement no Mosbee TV GH eduro no ombete so amaw mesan ni wadi ehia adafoforo makraw bye bye.